Hello everyone, welcome back to the barn. I'm Chris. We're gonna go over what sold today. We're gonna run a real quick video. We got some family stuff we're getting ready to go do. So I'm just trying to get this video run and then the stuff packed up. But I will say this, we have 5 items going out today for $377. So hey, we did really good yesterday. One of those items, guess what? Come from a dump. Imagine that. All right. So the first thing we're going to cover is this hat. This is a 47 brand Denver Broncos hat, men's dad hat, baseball cap. Buyers all in for $19.25. It doesn't have the snapback. It's got the hook and loop back there. This thing come from the Goodwill bins, less than 8 ounces. Got pennies into it. The next item is a Chilton's car manual. This is a repair manual for Datsun Nissan pickups from 1970 to 86. This is going out the door for $18.19. Guys, car manuals sell. Some of them take longer than others, so they will sit a little while. They are a long tail item, but hey, they will sell eventually. So how long do you want to hang on to it? Next item is a shirt for St. George Island. It is new with tags. This is a shirt that we picked up down there when we go down there to visit, and it didn't fit us. It didn't fit me. So guess what? I put it on eBay, and it sold for $20.98. Not bad. The next item is yearbooks. High school yearbooks, guys. Man, if you come across yearbooks, make sure you're looking at who is in them yearbooks. Such, I have some college yearbooks back there that's got Brett Favre's junior and senior year in it. So we got those listed. These here, they do not have anybody famous, but they did have names in them. The person that owned them did have their names. They are Lexington High School yearbooks from 1958 and 1959. So we sold them. We sold them both together. They're in decent shape. They're leather bound. They're rough, old. I did clean them up the best I could and showed the good pictures as I could on them. But both of these books, both of these are going out the door for $73.82. I might have $1 in both of these. So hey, keep an eye out for yearbooks, especially the ones that have somebody famous in them or something like that. Make sure you put that in their title. And if you just get average, ordinary, everyday yearbooks, especially from the 50s and 60s, if they're named, if they got their name in them, put that in your description, and you'll do well with them. All right, the next item is the big one. So I go to Georgia once every other week, and then I visit my mother, and occasionally we go by the dump and we pick up items. And of course, you guys know we sell items out of the dump. We've been getting vacuum cleaners and Keurigs and just tearing them apart and selling those. Well, this particular day we went down there, and the lady asked if I dealt with cameras. I said yes, and guess what? She gave me 2 cameras that somebody had dropped off at the dump. So we got 2 of these. One of them has a cracked LED screen, and that's all that's wrong with it. This one is tested and working. It's got a bag. It's got 2 batteries. It's got a charger. It comes with, I put 2 extra lenses in it. Let's see what else we got in here. So let me show you what it is. And here it is here. This is the Canon EOS Rebel T4i digital SLR camera. It comes with a bag, 2 lenses, 2 batteries, and a charger. And it does got the flip out screen on it there. The screen will turn to where you can look at it this way also. So there we go. Turn it this way. This also. So this is the body. I tested this, put a SIM card in it. It's tested and working. Come for the dump, guys. So we listed it, and it didn't last long. And this whole kit kaboo here, this whole lot, it sold for $244.99. It lasted less than 24 hours. Didn't last long at all. The other one I got another one up here. So everything she gave me, this is a Nikon lens. We did get a Nikon lens in that bundle. And then we got this one. This is a EOS T2i with a Canon 18 to 55 millimeter lens on it. But this one right here, as you can see right here, it's got a crack. Let's see. There you go. You got a cracked lens right there. If you guys see that. So, and then it's missing the grip pad right here also. So this one's up for sale too. I think I only got it listed for $125 best offer. Because it's tested and it works. The crack in the lens does not affect the production or the quality or the inner workings of the camera, however you want to say it. But hey, guys, parts and repair stuff, just because it comes from a dump does not mean it doesn't work. I mean, how lucky is that? 2 of these cameras. And I got another bag too. You know, so we're going to list that bag. We may actually list that bag with that camera. I got that camera listed. I may redo the listing and add the bag to it. But I mean, guys, if you're at the dump, you see somebody getting away, throw away something, you think you can sell it, ask them for it. They'll give it to you. Ask them for it. They will give it to you. You know, there's just parts and repair stuff does sell, guys. I know a lot of people don't like fooling with it, you know, and I understand that. But hey, if I didn't do parts or repair it, I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't have a camera right here that worked and wouldn't have a $244 sale. The reason being is I wouldn't be going to the dump looking for stuff. Only because I go to the dump, the lady knows me, she knows what I do. So guess what? Right? So hey, make yourself known. Make people aware of what you do out there. You never know what you will come across. You just have absolutely no idea what will show up in your way. Not really in your way, but in front of you. Well, I said this was going to be a quick video, so we're at 8 minutes already. So it's a quick video. I hope everyone has a great day. Remember, guys, parts repairs sell well for me. And hey, I'm a guy, if you're local to me, I will come buy your stuff if you don't want to fool with it. But hey, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed your day. I hope you're enjoying your summer. Don't forget, Thursday night, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Pickin and Grinnin right here at the barn with Teresa, Brad, myself, and Leroy. We're going to have a really good time, guys. Please come by and join us. And those of you that are new to reselling, hey, come by and visit us and ask us any questions you want, guys. We look forward to those questions. We prefer to have questions in the chat so that we can answer and be a reselling show. Because right now we're like 20% reselling and 80% goof off and laugh and have a good time and talk with you guys in the chat. But hey, guys, hey, come by and visit us. Just drop in and say hi. You know, if you have a question, ask us, or drop in and have a couple of laughs. Have a great one, and we'll see you on the next video.